Hey folks, Mike Johnson here. If it's got wheels and an engine, you're in the right place. On this channel, we dive into car repairs, maintenance tips, and everything you need to keep your ride running smooth. If you're into cars and want to keep learning, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. All right, enough talking. Let's get into it.
Your engine produces emissions while running. Your evaporative emission control system, EVAP, works by capturing fuel vapors, preventing them from escaping into the atmosphere. Your powertrain control module, PCM, also monitors your EVAP system to make sure it works in sync with the other components of your engine. If it detects a malfunction, it may trigger trouble codes, such as P0447. Here's what you need to know if you encounter a P0447 code. What does the P0447 code mean? P0447 is a generic powertrain code meaning Evaporative Emission Control System Vent Valve Solenoid Circuit Open. This essentially means that your PCM has detected a circuit problem. This may result in a malfunction of your EVAP system's vent valve or solenoid. Fuel produces fumes during combustion. Your EVAP system has vents that open and close so that it can properly redirect the vapors. Your PCM monitors them to make sure they operate with the right timing. If the vents on your EVAP system are open when they should be closed, your PCM may trigger a P0447 code. A faulty EVAP vent valve may result in a P0447 code. Note, the definition of code P0447 may differ depending on the vehicle manufacturer. Consult the appropriate repair manual or repair database for the exact code definition. What are the common causes of code P0447? Various EVAP system problems can cause a P0447 code. Here is a list of the most common causes of a P0447 code: defective or faulty EVAP ventilation valve, vacuum leak in EVAP lines wiring, or circuit problems. OBDI codes can be too difficult to diagnose at home, so it's best to consult a mechanic if P0447 appears on your analysis tool. Here's the most common symptom linked to a P0447 code: check engine light. How to diagnose the P0447 code. OBD codes, including P0447, can be too difficult to diagnose at home. It's best to consult a mechanic if a P0447 appears after using an analysis tool. If you're curious about this OBD code, you can get a good idea of how to diagnose it by checking online sources. How to repair a P0447 code. It takes technical skill and experience to effectively diagnose and troubleshoot a P0447 code. Mechanics undergo extensive training to solve problems with your vehicle that trigger OBD codes. If you want to solve your vehicle's problems immediately, ask a mechanic for help. However, you can try working on fault codes from home. You'll need to gather information about the code as well as its causes and underlying problems. If you can determine the exact cause of the P0447 code, you can consult a repair manual or an online repair database. This can help you determine the appropriate next steps. You should also have your owner's manual on hand. Some fixes may not work for the make and mode of your vehicle. What works for a P0447 in a Nissan may not work for a Honda. If troubleshooting OBD codes becomes too technical for you, don't hesitate to consult a mechanic.